If you get this error message in Undisputed game, which says Undisputed encountered a network error with an error code as you see it here on the screenshot. Now in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix this problem. Now Undisputed encountered a network error as you see it here on the screenshot. Now listen to this tutorial very carefully. This error causes issues in online matchmaking and prevents players from finding a fight. You will encounter this error when there are server issues such as server being down or in maintenance on the Undisputed boxing game. So if you go to the Undisputed game Twitter page, they normally announce if there are any server issues. As you can see here, we are investigating an issue with online matchmaking that prevents players from finding a fight. We'll let you know when we have more information or a solution, and we appreciate your patience. And they also announced that the issue was resolved. So they normally announce if there are any server issues. So this error you will encounter when there are server issues such as servers being down or in maintenance on the Undisputed boxing game. You can try restarting your device and the router. Also, make sure you have a good internet connection. If it fails, then you will have to wait until server issues are restored and try again later. But in most cases, 90% of the problem occurs when there are server issues such as server being down or under maintenance. So you have to wait until the servers are restored. In the meantime, you can also monitor their Twitter page, which has a handle Play Undisputed. Just monitor if there are any server issues. You can also DM them and they can help you resolve this issue. But if you wait a few hours, and the issue will go away on itself.